We have all the different colored PS5 controllers here apart from the camouflage one. It's around here somewhere. One of these strikes me as being the best colored one, and I'm going to unbox it right here, right now. The purple PS5 pad.
What did he say?
The PS5 pad that is purple. Let's break this down. Firstly, I am going to talk about the price. A year ago upon release, this was priced at £70 and it was too dear for me. I'm sure you would all agree. £70 for a PS5 controller. That's a whole PS3 these days, and they throw in an extra game too. So I waited a bit, and after some time searching and having patience, I managed to pick this up for only £38. You too can pick this up for around the same price if you do a bit of shopping around. Hurry, rumour has it that the price is going up. Next, I want to look at the packaging. Same old, seen it before in its glorified cardboard box casing. No stronger than a pizza box, and we all know what happens to the bottom pizza when there are two other boxes on top. Let's not open another can of worms. On design, it's very plain. Certainly not something I would grab off a shelf, but PlayStation have made their mark, so you go searching for this item instead. On the back, we have some information about the item and its key features. Again, very plain. Not very eye-catching at all, and too much to read. At this point, we already know what to expect from a PS5 pad, so we ain't going to read this anyway. Now, let's unbox the item. So first of all, what you got to do is you got to cut this seal at the top. Or just slide across there. That's the only seal that we have here, and then after that you just lift this, lift that, you obviously get in here the user manual. It's a small book, so if you get time, just read it, or if you don't have any time, chuck it to the side. Wow, this looks really cool. The purple almost reminds me of the Joker from the Dark Knight series. Certainly his choice of pad if he were to choose, although I'm not quite sure what choice of game he would play. Maybe GTA 5 because it suits his style. I feel the Joker would take this pad and the Batman would take the all black. If it were down to looks, then the Joker would certainly win. I mean, this is one good looking pad. No wonder it never dropped in price when the rest did. The pad is same as all the standard PS5 pads. There is nothing special to it apart from the purple color, which looks really cool by the way. Let's talk about some key features. It has this immersive haptic feedback which allows you to feel the environment during gameplay. This allows for you to engage with the gameplay in a way never experienced before. Along with sound and sight, this feature allows you to dive into gameplay deeper. Dynamic adaptive triggers allow you to experience various levels of force and tension as you are interacting with your in-game gear and environment. This will definitely allow for a great advantage in shooting games where timing is very key. And also, a built-in microphone allows for you to communicate with friends without the use of a headphone whilst playing games. This PS5 pad has the same feel and comfort as all the other PS5 pads, but this one is special. I mean, look at it, it's purple. It actually looks better in my hand than it does on the box. Maybe PS could have gotten more sales if they made the box more prettier. We found the camouflage one. I knew it was around here somewhere. In conclusion, I think the purple pad is the best looking from all of them, and certainly it is my best. What do you guys think? Is purple the best, or is it another color? Let me know your choice by commenting the color in the comment section below. This is the unboxing beard, and we just unboxed the purple PS5 controller.